In this video, we'll look at how to share your screen from your Windows laptop to your Promethean board wirelessly. So first, if you haven't watched the wireless screen share video for Chromebook, please do watch that video first because it has a little bit of information about how to get the screen share started on your Promethean board. Once you've watched that video on your Windows laptop, you can start by going to share.mypromethean.com. This will take you to the website that will give you the installation file to share your screen to your Promethean board. So let's go to that website. There are two options for sharing your Windows laptop to your Promethean board. You can install a Chrome extension, or you can just install an app on your Windows laptop. We're going to use this option to install the Screen Share app for Windows. So first we'll click on Download Screen Share. That's going to download the installation file, and we can click on that to run it. Go ahead and leave all of the default settings in the installation app. And when you're done, you can click on the Done button. So once we've installed that application, we won't have to do that again. That's only a one-time thing. To run the application, we can go to our Start menu. For a time, it'll show up in the Recently Added, but we can find it. If we scroll down to Promethean, there's our Screen Share app. If you are planning on using this often, I would recommend right-clicking and doing Pin to Start so that you can keep that icon on your Start menu. So let's go ahead and open up the Screen Share app. So here's where you'll enter your panel ID. So again, you'll need to make sure that you started Screen Share on your panel. Your panel ID should be on the screen. So you'll enter that panel ID, and then you can enter your name just so it has a name to go with the device that you're using. Also, a new feature that they've added is you can actually control your laptop from the panel using touch on the panel. So in order to do that, make sure you check this box that says Enable Touchback so the active panel can navigate your screen. Once you've got the panel ID and your name and all this, you can click on the Enter Waiting Room button, and your device should show up in the waiting room on your panel. Again, if you're not quite sure how to get the screen share up on the panel or how to get to the waiting room, check out the video on wireless screen share for Chromebooks to see how to do that.